What is good, Sunny Nation? Standing next to me is Ulungelo Dube, our midfielder. Lungelo, namhlanje we're Friday.
Yes.
That was about your outfits, what inspired it, and what you were trying to give off in your outfit.
Outfits here, people who know me know that I like to dress casual, but I look casual. Okay. The European summer type of casual, the elegance. Yeah.
I see it,
the linen, old money vibes.
I see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So even today I did that because it's a hot day. So I just wanted to be different, and I knew I kind of had an idea what other players would be wearing, stuff like that. So I got me out in pole and wear what I usually wear. Because I know it's casual, it's elegance as well. So that's what I did today. Shirty, shorts, I love shorts, and Ama sandals. Yeah.
And then Cesar, from how you speak in Gutsi, umuntu who's sort of like picky when it comes to what he wears. What is something that you feel like most gents have, but you feel like, I don't know if I would like to rock that?
Yabona nje lamabhluku amakhulu manje. Angizwani nawe. Amabhluku amakhulu ilezi iketi zamanje kuthiwa lezi zama designer na. That's not mine. I can't see myself ever wearing that, to be honest with you.
And then when it comes to sports brands or whatever clothing brand actually, which brand do you feel like resonates with you the most that you would actually consider collaborating with given a chance?
I love Zara.
Okay.
Because I love Madrid. I love Spain. I love Spain in summer. I like Tom Ford.
Okay.
I like Ted Baker, my favorites. Yeah, Ted Baker and Giuseppe Angas like Ted Baker. So those types of brands, are what I usually, resonates with.
Oh, okay. And then with him, who do you feel like you could possibly like swap your wardrobe with?
Poison Ndwandwe is
right?
Poison Ndwandwe is a man who knows style, is intelligent as well.
Yes.
So I feel like I can swap with him. Ageko, he doesn't go too far in his style in terms of lenda tengisha mapluga, but he stays within the right types of boundaries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you.